I've been wearing this perfume lately and I keep getting compliments everywhere I go. The scent is fresh, elegant, and lasts for hours without being overpowering. If you want to walk into a room and immediately be the best smelling person there, this is the secret. It's sophisticated, fresh, and lasts.
If you're looking for a fragrance that makes you feel confident and stand out, this is it. Click the link below and grab yours today.
How to create AI influencers that can talk and walk like the video you just watched. So if you have been looking forward to starting a faceless YouTube channel with AI influencers, then this video might just be for you. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can create AI influencers. I'm going to be using Google Flow, okay? So let's head over to Chrome browser so that we can log into our Google Flow, okay? So this is my Chrome browser and I'm already in my Google Flow. So if you don't yet have an account with Google Flow, remember you can just head to your Chrome browser or whatever browser and sign up for an account, okay, with your email. So where you see create with Google Flow, I'm going to click on create with Google Flow. So this is the interface. What I'm going to do next is that where you're seeing new project, I'm going to click on new project, okay? So let's click on new project. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to click on the plus sign above so that I can add in my avatar. Remember, before you start creating this particular AI influencer or a UGC style content or avatar, remember to get your avatar ready, okay? So this is my avatar that I'm going to bring in. So this is where I'm going to be clicking on, okay, on this plus sign here. So after clicking on the plus sign, you see upload media, okay? So I'm going to click on upload media. So I'm going to bring in my avatar. You can see that I already started doing that. So let's start from scratch. So this is my avatar here. I'm going to click on media again. I'm going to click on the plus sign and add my second product, okay? And add my product. So this is it. We are going to be using this particular perfume. All right, so this is it. Now this is in the video form, so I'm going to change it because we have to start by attaching the images together before we get into the video, okay? I just hope I have more credit to do this so that we can see how it goes. Okay, so now I am going to long press on my avatar. After that, I'm going to click on add to prompt, okay? So this is add to prompt here. Add to prompt, this is it here. So I'm going to click add to prompt. Now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to long press on the product, which is the perfume, okay? So this is it. I'm going to click again on add to prompt, okay? So this is it. Now this is the next thing I'm going to do. I'm going to attach a prompt which I'm going to be reading out. So this is the prompt: create an image of the attached avatar holding the attached product, smiling, UGC style, okay? So I'm going to hit generate and wait for our image to generate. Let me first of all check the aspect ratio. Okay, it is in 16:9 aspect ratio. This is good for YouTube. So I'm going to hit generate. So let's wait for our images to generate. Okay, so you can see that our images are done generating, okay? But I'm not quite impressed with the images that it has given us. So I'm going to hit on generate again. I'm going to long press on the image and click reuse prompt, okay? I want to create it. I want it to come out exactly the way I want it. You can see that one of the images is having wood on it, so I don't like that particular one. I don't like it. So let's generate again and see. Hopefully these ones are going to be very much better so that we can download them and go and use them. Okay, so our images are done, okay? So what I'm going to do now is that since our images are done, what I'm going to do now is that I am going to head over to Google Gemini or ChatGPT, okay? So I'm going to ask for a script from ChatGPT, okay? So let's head over to ChatGPT. So here we are on ChatGPT. What I'm going to do next is that I'm going to paste a prompt here because I want ChatGPT to generate a script for us to be used in this video that we want to generate. Okay, so this is the script. So I'm going to read it out loud so you can see. I want to create a short UGC content on the attached product. Okay, create a short dialogue my avatar can say about the product and end with a call to action for, this is for my audience to click the attached link and purchase. Okay, so this one is especially good for those who, you know, advertise products on the TikTok shop and stuff like that. So this is actually very good. You can use it to sell your products, you can use it to do a lot of things. Okay, so what I'm going to do next here is that I'm going to precise the particular products I'm talking about. So I'm going to write the product here is a perfume. Okay, this script should be just 16 seconds long. Okay, so it should just be 16 seconds long. So another thing you can add to it is maybe the motion prompt or something. You can actually add your motion prompt, but this is the simple way to do it. So I'm going to hit on generate. Okay, so this is what it has given us. I have been wearing this perfume lately and I keep getting compliments everywhere I go. The scent is fresh, elegant, and lasts for hours without being overpowering. Okay, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to click these first lines because I'm very sure it will be able to say all of this in 8 seconds. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on copy. Okay, so let's head over to Chrome again. So I'm sorry. Okay, so here we are. What I'm going to do is that first of all I'm going to pick out one of these pictures so we can work with it. Now I'm so confused, I don't know which one to use. Okay, so I'm going to click on this plus sign so that I can add it. Okay, so let me first of all paste our prompt. Okay, now I'm going to click on the first. So this is it, we have this here. So I'm going back to this, I'm going to click on this nano banana so that I can change this to a video. Okay, so this is it, we have this is okay. So you can see now I can add something like says in a black African accent. Okay, so here we are going to hit on generate. So you can see that here I've actually used almost all my credit for today. So I'm going to click just one here. So I have access to just one video. So I'm going to click on this X1. Okay, so let me hit generate. Okay, so that we can listen to what it's going to, generate for us. We can go now and finish the remaining videos on Grok AI. Okay, so this is it. Let's wait for it. You can see you are out of credit. You can wait until they refresh, or so whatever the case is. Let's head over to Grok AI. So let me just wait for this first one to generate before we get to Grok. So our video is done generating. Okay, let's click and watch.
I've been wearing this perfume lately and I keep getting compliments everywhere I go. The scent is fresh, elegant, and lasts for hours without being overpowering. I've been wearing this perfume lately and I keep
So this is it. what we are going to do here is that we are going to download this. Okay, we are going to download this. Okay, it's downloaded. So I'm going to copy the remaining scripts and take it over to Grok AI because my credit for today are done. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to click here and copy the prompt. So I'm going to download this second one because I really wanted to use 2 of these images. So I'll just download this and take it to Grok AI. Okay, so let's head over to Grok. So this is Grok. I'm going to click on Imagine and then take in this here. I'm going to click on this. So here I'm going to add again, she says in a Black African accent. I'm going to put this here. Okay, so now we are here. I'm going to click generate. So our video is done generating. Okay, so I'm going to click on it so that we can watch what it has given us. Okay, so
If you're looking for a fragrance that makes you feel confident and stand out, this is it. Click the link below and grab yours today.
so you can
If you're
see
looking
that
for
so you can see that at least it has given us something really beautiful, and this is especially good for TikTok shop. Okay, so now that we are done with our video, this is how easy it is to generate AI influencers like this or UGC style kind of content. Okay, so you can try this out and then use it to advertise your products. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in my next video.